The Labour Ministry says a thrust towards inclusivity is apparent in individuals being selected for the farm work program. This, as in recent times, 2 women and 2 men living with disabilities have been able to travel to Canada to work. Now, Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says requests are being made for more persons with disabilities for the 2025 cycle.
The 4 candidates that we have that are within the category of persons with disabilities have an excellent drive and attitude. And because of their approach to their work, we see where employers are asking for persons who have that kind of dedication, that kind of attitude, whether they are a person with disability or not. They want that kind of drive, because that is really what allows for them to be team players, allows for them to be leaders, and allows for them to push through whatever obstacles or challenges they confront.
He says the ministry has been trying to create more opportunities so more Jamaicans can benefit from the program.
We have, for the first time ever, actually assigned for a special program a permanent secretary to focus on high-level advocacy. And we've seen already the strengthening of our relations between partners. And we've seen where we are having positive opening up of opportunities for Jamaica.